Yesterday, Abrego Garcia's attorney called this prosecution a clear abuse of power, saying, quote, after months of delay and secrecy, they're bringing him back not to correct their error, but to prosecute him. This shows they were playing games with the court all along. Due process means the chance to defend yourself before you're punished, not after. Joining us now is another member of the legal team representing Kilmar Abrego Garcia, Benjamin Osorio, who's an immigration attorney with Murray Osorio PLLC. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. I guess my first question to you is, have you talked to Abrego Garcia, and what has he told you about these charges that are against him? Does he say he's innocent?
First of all, thank you very much for having me. So Simon, who you just quoted, will be traveling to see Mr. Abrego Garcia this weekend. So that's going to be the first opportunity we've had to speak with him. Regarding the criminal charges, for the time being, he's been appointed a federal public defender. He was arraigned yesterday, and I imagine that attorney has spoken with him about sort of the nature of his criminal charges. But we have not yet had an opportunity to speak with him, and we hope to accomplish that this weekend.
Well, Mr. Osorio, just weeks ago, the Trump administration said it was out of their control to return Mr. Abrego Garcia to the United States, and only El Salvador's president could make that call. Now they're saying an arrest warrant was all it took. What do you make of this timing?
I mean, the timing is extremely suspicious, and also the nature of the charges themselves. If you look at the indictment, there's a number of different allegations, but conduct that's not charged. They charge him, or they allege that he's a gang member. They don't charge him with gang participation, even though it's a gang participation statute. You know, they allege that he was trafficking in firearms. They don't charge him with that. So I think this is all an attempt to muddy him up. And then on top of that, I think this is an attempt to cover up what they are doing, which is really complying with the court order here and trying to say, no, we're doing this as a result of an extradition. But no, you're doing this to cover the fact that you needed to facilitate his return.